Hello students, I am Cynthia from GEMS Polytechnic College. So we are in lecture 28, part 2. Okay, so our subject is estimating and costing. So we are solving the long wall short wall method problems. Okay, to calculate the quantity by using, we are calculating the quantity by using the long wall short wall method. Okay. So the contents of the lecture are. So contents of lecture is nothing but long wall short wall method and the problems on long wall short wall method. This is a question we have already seen. Okay, the plan and the section is given. Then we need to find the 6 items of work for it and calculate the total quantity. So first two we have already seen in the previous lectures. So in this lecture we are going to calculate the quantity of BB masonry and RC lintels over doors and windows. Okay. So remember, this is the in the left side you can see right. So this is the plan of the building R1, R2, R3, and its dimensions are given. Then the door size, window one size, and window size is given. Then in the left side you can see this is a section. Okay, so section there are many things are there. So GPC and BB masonry. DPC thickness is 0.2 centimeter. Then the BB masonry is the total depth is 3.2, then the breadth is 0.3. Okay, so this is the dimension of BB masonry and DPC. Okay, so using this only we are going to calculate the quantity of items. So you already know this is the outline of outline or center line plan of a building. L1, L2, then S1, S2, R1, R2, R3. So third one is TPC, damp proof course. Usually we see in door openings and the plinth beam. Okay, so that level we will see the DPCs. So we will just draw the section of the diagram. So DPC is nothing but the breadth is 0.5 and the thickness is given as 0.2. Okay, 0.2 thickness is given. Okay, so we need to calculate length. So we are going to calculate the length of it. Okay, so first one is long wall. So for long wall, length equal to, for L1 we are finding L1 plus the 0.5. Okay, so L1 is L1 value is 8.3 we know, plus 0.5, so 8.8. Then for L2 we are finding, so L2 plus the same 0.5. So L2 value is 4.8. So 4.8 plus 0.5 we will get 5.3. Then for short wall also the same thing. Okay, for short wall we will L equal to S1 minus the 0.5. So what will we get? S1 value is 4. So 4 minus 0.5. So we will get 3.5. This is the length we have found. Okay. So next one is what? N. So N we know already. So 2 for L1. L1 we have two sides. The 2, 1. Then for short wall 5. Okay. So this is the N value. Then the length we have found. Then the breadth. Breadth is 0.5 for everything. Okay, 0.5. Then for DPZ we no need to consider the height. Okay, so for DPZ we no need to consider the height because it is of minimum. Okay, 0.2 it is a minimum value, so we no need to consider for DPZ height we no need to consider. So after that we need to just multiply everything. Okay, so after multiplying we can get the quantity. Okay, so the quantity to overall quantity I am writing. So by adding the L1, L2 and L3 quantity, we will get the total quantity equal to 20.2. Okay. So for DPZ, we will see in the door opening, right? So we need to deduct the door value. Okay, so deduction. This is the new thing. Deduction for door. So deduction for door. So how many doors are there in the n column? How many numbers are there? Number of doors are there. We have 3 doors. So n equal to 3. Okay. Then breadth. Breadth is the dimension of the door. Okay. So the door dimension is it is given in the question 1.2 cross 2.1. So the breadth will be of 2.1. Then so the length will be of the length will be of the dimension of the door. So L equal to, we will take for deduction 1.2 L. Then the breadth is the same. Okay, for DPC. Okay, 0.5. Then height is nothing. So after multiplying the 3 into 1.2 into 0.5, we will get 1.8. That is the quantity. So what we should do is we need to subtract the total quantity minus the deduction of door value. Okay, so that quantity and that quantity, so that we will get the total quantity of DPC. Okay, we need to calculate as usual, but in case if it is given as door and windows means we need to deduct the values. Okay, that is a concept. So we need to for calculate for the quantity of DPC is quantity of DPC equal to, we need to minus that. Okay, so 20.2 we have already found. So minus the deduction of door we need to subtract. So 20.2 minus 1.8 equal to 18.4. Okay, 18.4 meter square. This is the, we are not considering the height, right? So it will be of meter square. Okay, here also the quantity will be in meter square. Okay, so this is the value of DPC. Okay, this is the third case. Then the fourth one. Okay, so fourth one is what? BB structure. Okay, BB masonry, brick masonry. Next one is brick masonry. So okay, the same procedure. So we will first draw the section diagram. Okay, so you can see in the previous diagram. So the height will be of, the total height of brick masonry will be of 3.2. Then the breadth, it will be of it is of 0.3. Okay, so this is brick masonry. So we need to calculate long wall, short wall as usual. For long wall, first one is for long wall. For L1, L2 as usual we need to calculate. Okay, so by adding L equal to what? L1 plus 0.3. Okay, so I'll just write like the table. So N, length, breadth and height and quantity. Okay, so N will be what? N will be for L1, it will be of 2. Okay, then length means what will, how will you find? L1 plus 0.3. Okay, 0.3 is width of an item. So what will we get? L1 is 8.3. So 8.3 plus 0.3, it will come under 8.6. Okay, then breadth is 0.3. Then height is 3.2. Okay, by multiplying we will get the quantity. Quantity is 16.5. Okay, meter cube. Quantity it will be in meter cube. This is how we need to calculate for BB masonry. Okay, then for L2 also. Okay, so this is for L1 and this is will be of L2. Okay, so L2 also the same procedure. L2 is 1, N is 1. Then for calculating L equal to L2 plus 0.3. So we will get 5.1. Then breadth. Okay, so breadth is 0.3. Then height is 3.2. Okay, by multiplying what will we get? We will get the value as 4.9. Okay, then for S, short wall we need to find. So short wall is 5, right? So 5. Then the same one, S1L for calculating length, S1 minus 0.3. So S is 4. So 4 minus 0.3, we will get 3.7. Then the breadth is 0.3, height is 3.2. So we will get the quantity value as 17.76. Then overall quantity. Okay, so overall quantity is what will we get? We will get 39.17, like that we will get meter cube. Okay, so this is the quantity. So for BB masonry, we need to deduct door. First we need to deduct for openings. Okay, so this is the new concept, deduction for opening. Okay, so what are the things we need to deduct? We need to deduct for door, window one, window and window one. Okay, so three things we need to deduct. For lintel also we need to deduct. Okay, we will see in the next slide. So the deduction of opening. Deduction for opening. Okay, so deduction for opening. First we can the door size. Okay, door size, window size, then window one size. We will just write, okay, for our clarification. So door size is what? 1.2 by 2.1. Then the window size is what? 1.3 by 1.5. Then the window one size is what? 1.2 by 1.5. Okay, so these are the dimension given. So we need to deduct. So first one in the table, in the description, first one is what? Door. Door D. Okay, then numbers, length, breadth, height and quantity. Okay, so for door one, okay, so for door we are finding so what is the n? There are how many so in the n portion we need to calculate how many doors are there. So we have three doors, so three. Then the length is what? Door size is 1.2, so we will just put 1.2. Then breadth, okay, so breadth is what? The wall thickness, okay, so 0.3. Then the height is what? 2.1. So by multiplying we will get the some values. Okay, so like 2.26, like that we will get. Then for w, window, okay, for the w we are calculating. So how many windows are there? We have three windows. Then length is 1.3. Then breadth is the same, wall thickness 0.3. Okay, then the height is what? For w 1.5. So we will get the quantity. Okay, so we will get some quantity. Then for W1 we need to calculate. So for W1 the same thing, we have three windows. Then for length, okay, length will be of 1.2, then breadth will be of 0.5, then height. So height will be of 1.5. So we will get some values. Okay, so this is the normal deductions for opening. So we need to calculate for lintel also. So for lintel, so for lintel, how we can calculate? So for calculating lintel, first one door. Okay. So for door, three numbers are there. The for calculating length for lintel, we have the formula. Okay. So for calculating lintel, length equal to the breadth of an item. Okay. So that is the 1.2. For door means it is 1.2, right? So 1.2 plus 2 into the 0.15, that is that center line length of, okay, or sorry, um, that is the lintel size, 0.15 lintel size. Okay, so door means we will take 1.2 plus 2 into 0.15 is the thickness of lintel. Okay, so this is a formula to calculate the length. Okay, so for here what will we get? We will get 1.5 as the length. Then the breadth. Okay, so breadth is simply 0.3. Then thickness is 0.15. Then for same for W and W1 we need to calculate. Okay, so for W what will we get? W also 3. Then for here the same thing. Okay, window size is 1.3. So 1.3 plus 2 into 0.15. So what will we get? We will get 1.6 as the L value. Then for breadth, okay, so breadth is same 0.3, then this is 0.15. And here for W1, so 1.2 plus 2 into 0.15, so we will get 1.5, 0.3, 0.15. So while multiplying we will get the quantity of everything. Okay, so at last what we need to do First in the for calculating VB masonry, for length of L1, L2 and S1 we have calculated one quantity, right? So it will be under 40. Okay, so quantity of first we have found. Then the deductions, okay, so the deductions will be of 7. Okay, like some approximately I am writing. So deduction value, okay, so deduction, so deducted for deduction for opening and lintel, we need to add everything. So it will come under 7, approximately 7 meter cube. Okay. So at last, what we need to do, we need to subtract the BB masonry and here. So only we can get the net quantity of it. Okay. So at last we need to come minus the 40 minus 7. Okay, so we will get some quantities. That is the net quantity. Okay, net quantity of BB masonry. Okay, so this is the net quantity. So net quantity equal to some 33 point. We will get some answers. Okay, so this is how we need to calculate the quantity for BB masonry. Okay. So this is the measurement sheet table. So we need to enter all the data in this measurement sheet. Okay. So this is a summary. So we have seen the problems based on long wall short wall method. Okay. So we have completed the third and fourth part of the problem. Same problem we are going through. So in the next lecture, we are going to calculate another two values. Okay. So RCC slab roof. Okay. How to calculate the quantity and internal plastering work. Okay. So for these two things, we are going to calculate in the coming lecture. Okay. So these are the books we need to refer for this subject. So that's it for lecture 28 part 2. So in the next lecture we will continue with another the same problem, the another two items of work, calculate quantity calculation. Okay, thank you.